If you don't know how to do a simple braid, this video is for you. It's the gateway to a whole world of hairstyles, so let's get started. It's better to start off with the front section just so you can see how the pattern works. Separate the section into 3, then place the left section over the middle. The middle section will now be on the outside and the left section will be the new middle. Then take the right section over the middle, so now the right one is going to be in the middle. And so it goes, left over the middle, then right over the middle. Now let's try it in the back. Take the outside section over the inside section and do the same on the other side. Outside over inside. The hardest part about this is figuring out which fingers to hold the different sections with. Your arms might hurt at first, but it'll be worth it. When you are done, tug out the strands to make the braid more voluminous. You can choose to style this braid with a headband, barrettes, or hair rings. If you want to learn how to do amazing styles with a simple braid technique, head to the link in the description. Have a great hair day!